Hello and welcome to this video of MFXBroker.com, brought to you by FxEmpire.com. MFX Broker, who we'll be looking at today, were founded in 2006. They're based out of Belize and they are headquartered in St. Petersburg in Russia. They are particularly famous for being the first broker to introduce cents trading accounts, which is kind of like penny trading, which has helped many retail traders to trade the markets with absolutely minimal risks. They're also known for their ECN accounts, which offer a minimum trading volume of 0.1 lots, and you just need to deposit $200. Nowadays, MFX Broker also maintain offices across the globe in such places as Indonesia, Malaysia, China, and also Moldova. In terms of trading platforms, they offer their own proprietary platforms, which include the MFX Trader for PC, the MFX Multi-Terminal, and the MFX Trader for mobile, as well as the copy signal service. We'll be taking a little look at that shortly. But first, let's look at some of the account types on offer. Depending on the level of your experience and the type of trader you are, MFX Broker offer a selection of different trading accounts. Now these start from the Forex standard. You can see the requirements here, and just bear in mind that you get a leverage, if you like, of up to 1 to 1,000. Now that's a huge leverage which should be taken quite seriously and used by experienced traders, because if you are a new trader and you simply want to trade, for instance, $100, then remember, if you multiply 100 by 1,000, that is the risk and the exposure you stand to face. With the standard account, you don't even need to deposit anything, so it's the equivalent almost of a demo trading account. You can trade a minimum lot of 0.01. The leverages, as we just mentioned, go up to 1 to 1,000. The spreads are fixed. We'll be looking at the spreads a little later on. You won't be paying any commission for this, and you've got the option of up to 87 currency pairs and 2 spot metals. Your base currency that you can trade in can be either USD, Euro, or your local currency. And the deposit methods available to you include the bank, web money, which is an e-wallet, and the MasterCard. And you can take a look here at the total number of opened accounts since the beginning. That is a lot. These are a busy company. So then we move up to the Forex standard 5-digit. Now this is for day traders and scalpers. And with this you can trade on a 5-digit currency pair rather than a 4-digit currency pair, meaning there are more digits after the pip. So you get highly accurate prices on your currency pairs. Again, minimum deposit starts from 0. Leverage on this one is 1 to 500. You're paying a fixed spread and therefore no commission. You can trade 28 currency pairs here, and you have the same options in which to deposit. To find out more about deposit options, simply click there. The Forex Micro account is next. So this is for people that aren't quite ready to take big risks. This is the equivalent of the cent account. And with this one, you can start trading with just a single dollar. So you won't run into the high figures unless, of course, you up your stake. Again, you can take advantage of a very high leverage if you so wish. Your spreads are fixed, no commission, and you can have a USD or Euro account. Then comes the ECN account. The difference here is that MFX Broker won't be taking the other side of the trade. They'll be passing that on to major bank liquidity providers. And with this one, you will be trading on the MetaTrader 4 trading terminal. You will be paying a floating spread, and you will be paying a commission because, of course, MFX Broker are passing the trade on. With this one, you can trade 23 currency pairs, and you will have your account in the US dollar. The Forex demo account, of course, is completely free. You'll be deposited with $10,000 into your account, which you can practice trading with. You can also trade CFDs here, and this will be on a floating spread with commissions as follows. These go up to $28 on the stocks and no commission on the futures. And there's also an ECN demo account. So if you want to try trading on the ECN account, then you can do that for free with absolutely no risk. The great thing about MFX Broker is that they do offer promotions and bonuses for new and existing traders. So you can take advantage of this. This is the rescue bonus of 200%. It gives you compensation of your losses up to 200% and also a $100 no deposit bonus, meaning those people that suffered losses when the Swiss franc dropped so drastically can take advantage of these bonuses. If you are trading with a NetTeller account, you will be paying 0% commission. For other traders, no matter who you are, you'll access 100% bonus. And let's now look at how to deposit and how to make withdrawals. So you can see a list of the bank cards here, electronic payments here, including WebMoney, OKPay, and Yandex Money, because obviously MFX Broker do have a very large presence in Russia. And you can also take advantage of NetTeller through that. You can transfer money through Western Union or MoneyGram and so on. You can make bank transfers directly into your account. And you can trade using, you can deposit using these exchanges. So these are money exchanges. All the instructions of how to make deposits are available through this page of the website. And bear in mind, the way you deposit is, of course, the way you will also make a withdrawal. So what about copy signals? This is something that MFX Broker are big on. They're big into copy trader. You can subscribe for signals here, or you can also send your own. You can provide your own. You can see some of the providers here. This is details about them and their reputation and so on. So you can either be a follower or a leader. Under Invest in the website, there's loads of information about the company. It's worth taking a little look and learning about the company themselves. They also feature tournaments you can play in, which are really, really good fun. So these are competitions against other traders. And just one more thing I want to show you today, which is licensing and regulation. You can find out all about the licensing which MFX Broker falls under on this page. And these include the IFCS. The IFCS is the International Financial Services Commission in Belize. To open an account, you'll simply click on Register Account. And to have a look at MFX Broker's proprietary trading platforms, simply open an account, download the platform, and open a demo. You'll be trading for absolutely no risk. Loads of information on the website, including news, blog information. You can see information about all the traders here. Some of the trading awards that MFX Broker managed to get across the years, including 2014. With more than 600,000 clients from over 120 countries, you'll be in very, very good company. Enjoy trading with MFXBroker.com.